This humanoid robot from China has already begun working in factories, both in Chinese and international companies involved in electric vehicle production. Companies like NIO and Volkswagen are actively integrating robots into their assembly lines. The Walker S robotic humanoids, developed by UB Tech Robotics, assist in quality control tasks, such as inspecting door locks, seat belts, and headlights, as well as attaching logos to vehicles. Walker S is equipped with 36 high-performance servo motors, providing flexibility and precision in movement. It also features a range of sensors for environmental perception, enabling object recognition, as well as processing visual and auditory information. The robot can autonomously navigate complex environments using the USLAM system, which allows it to plan routes, avoid obstacles, and recognize faces, objects, and scenes. UB Tech Robotics is optimistic about the potential of robots in electric vehicle assembly lines to boost efficiency. The company states on its website that the future of humanity lies in the coexistence of robots and humans. The company Darutu designs and creates robots that replace construction workers. These mechanical laborers are already sanding walls, refining floors, and even laying tiles. The developers aim for complete automation while ensuring ease of use for end users. For example, the floor finishing robot intelligently plans its route and independently applies all layers, from the initial primer to the final epoxy coating. A full range of sensors and radars helps the robots navigate their environment. The speed of the company's developments is astonishing. For instance, plaster application can be accelerated to 8 meters in 50 seconds, reducing labor intensity by 70% and increasing efficiency by as much as 200%. With the integration of artificial intelligence, robots will only need to be given a task. They will handle everything autonomously, without human supervision. It is an extremely promising innovation that both impresses and raises concerns, as it could eventually replace a significant portion of construction jobs. The American startup Figure AI has announced plans to bring 100,000 humanoid robots to the market by 2029. The company is developing one of the most advanced humanoid robots in the world called Figure 01, designed for tasks in logistics, manufacturing, and retail. The Figure 01 stands 170 centimeters tall, weighs 60 kilograms, and can lift loads of up to 20 kilograms. It moves at a speed of 1.2 meters per second and operates autonomously for up to 5 hours on a single battery charge. In early 2024, Figure AI signed a partnership agreement with BMW. The company's robots are expected to be integrated into production processes at BMW's new plant in Spartanburg, South Carolina, within the next 12 to 24 months. Figure AI is also establishing a Center for Humanoid Robot Safety Enhancement to develop an industry-wide certification program for robotic systems. In February 2024, Figure AI raised $675 million in funding, valuing the company at $2 billion. Engineers at Azure Printed Homes have developed a robot capable of 3D printing residential homes using recycled plastic. By utilizing 3D printers, they create modular structures, with recycled plastic bottles serving as the primary building material. Constructing a single studio home requires approximately 100,000 bottles, and the cost of such a house is around $40,000. This is significantly cheaper than traditional construction methods, where a similar home could cost about $150,000. Additionally, this technology enables homes to be built 70% faster, while reducing costs by up to 30% compared to conventional construction methods. The entire building process takes just 3 days. By using recycled plastic, this innovation not only lowers construction costs, but also helps reduce plastic waste, making a positive impact on environment. The team at Monumental has developed a bricklaying robot powered by artificial intelligence. The company is doing well. After all, a $25 million investment is not given to just anyone. Moreover, 57% of European countries are already facing a severe shortage of bricklayers. In this context, construction firms are bound to appreciate a robot that not only works with high precision, but is also 50 to 60% faster than a human. It does not get tired, does not demand a raise, does not take smoke breaks, and does not make mistakes. Additionally, Monumental offers another robot in the package, one responsible for delivering bricks. In testing, these mechanical laborers successfully completed a 15-meter office warehouse facade and even participated in social housing projects. In short, this is yet another incredibly promising construction technology that is already effectively replacing human labor. Indian engineers also know how to impress. Craftsmac Labs has introduced the robot named Masonry, a high-tech assistant capable of automating the block-laying process on construction sites. This multifunctional robotic system, powered by an electric battery and equipped with all-wheel drive, is specifically designed for operation in construction environments. One of the key features of the Masonry robot is its ability to lay blocks up to approximately 61 centimeters long. The robot can be easily adjusted for different block sizes and shapes. With its high maneuverability, the robot efficiently performs not only block laying but also other tasks such as cladding, plastering, painting, tile installation, as well as electrical and interior work. This significantly increases productivity and reduces the time required for construction projects. Recently, Perry Group introduced a new coating system called Periskin. This technology is a multi-layer system designed to protect formwork frames and other metal components. Periskin provides reliable and long-lasting protection against harsh external factors such as moisture, chemicals, and mechanical damage. The coating forms a strong barrier on the metal surface, preventing corrosion and extending the lifespan of structures. The uniqueness of this technology lies in its application process. Unlike traditional methods such as galvanization, the Periskin coating is applied at room temperature of 20 degrees Celsius and does not require the use of electricity. This significantly reduces energy consumption, requiring only 5% of the energy needed for galvanization. Here is an innovative machine called TS6200E Electric Superflat Screed, developed by engineers from Top and Screed in Luxembourg. This self-propelled laser-guided screed is designed for high-precision leveling of concrete floors and is the world's first fully electric screed in the industrial sector. The TS6200E is equipped with a modern automatic laser system, ensuring precise leveling and high performance. The machine's head distributes concrete, removes excess material, and vibrates in a single pass, covering up to 22 square meters at a time. 4 motorized wheels with on-the-spot turning capability and a new telescopic boom enhance maneuverability and efficiency. The power supply is provided by 4 batteries, allowing the machine to process up to 4,500 square meters of concrete on a single charge, with an operating time of up to 11 hours. Write in the comments what you liked most after watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a like. See you next time.